Another beautiful rainy morning in Melbourne again. Yeah. But yeah, we're off to AusFlex's factory again this morning. We'll see if we get the chassis today. So yesterday it still needed to be painted, so yeah, see how we go. She might turn up today. We'll wait and see, but yeah, we'll be at the factory all day today anyway, because yeah, we have an office set up there, so we'll be working from there, and we're doing all our printing from yeah AusFlex's factory. So it's pretty cool that we've got an office set up there, right?
Yeah, it's really good. Where else will we do it?
We'd have to do it inside the caravan, but no, that's cool. So yeah, we'll be there all day today. We might film some of the other builds that they've got going on. They've got a cool toy hauler there that they're currently building, so yeah, we'll see, and we might film some of that. And, but yeah, exciting. I just wish this weather is a little bit better. We can deal with the cold, but the rain with doing markets and stuff, it's like, yeah, it's not good. It is what it is. Melbourne traffic. She's stop and go, bumper to bumper, isn't it?
Yeah, and everyone cuts you off.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Yeah. Don't even blink.
But there's no peak hour traffic here. It's just all day, constantly. Yeah. So it's not like well, Perth, where you have peak hour, like morning and afternoon. It's just doesn't matter what time of day it is. It's just constant bumper to bumper.
Once there's an accident, everything stops.
Or a breakdown, or yeah. They don't have like the big emergency lanes like WA either, do they?
No, not really.
They have like a little bit on the side, but not like the big emergency lane. So if there is a breakdown or whatever, you can sort of pull over there and it keeps flowing. But when we was at this intersection yesterday, this slip lane here, a bus broke down right there. So I'm glad we come past in time, because it would have been banked up right back.
Yeah, later.
If it was a couple minutes later. But we're nearly at AusFlex, so yeah, just driving into Camberfield now to the factory, and it's just not nice outside,
The windscreen's getting bigger. Crack.
Oh yeah, we've got a crack in the windscreen, so we've got to get that fixed. We don't even know how it happened. Didn't hear it.
I know.
It's got a chip in it, like a stone chip, but
It gets 3 inches bigger every day.
I don't know. I've never actually heard it like a stone hit it, did we?
No.
It happened yesterday. It must have been when we was on the freeway.
I think it happened when we went to the market. Sunday.
Oh, I only noticed it yesterday though, eh?
On the way home, I think it was.
Oh,
Yeah. There's a truck, I think, pulled out in front of something.
oh yeah.
Sheer rock stuff flew up.
So we're going to have to get that fixed now. So this is our office all set up at AusFlex Caravans factories. This is where we've been for the last couple of weeks, printing all your online orders and processing all your orders and getting them out to you guys. But it's good having an office, isn't it?
Yeah, we don't have to set up everything.
So yeah, we get it done a lot quicker because we're not packing up and setting up every day like we do from the caravan. But the factory's downstairs there. We go for a walk down and
Have a look around.
have a look around. But so yeah, our chassis has been built by Roadrunner, so Aussie owned business, and they only use Aussie steels. So yeah, hopefully the chassis is here this afternoon or tomorrow, but it'll be here this week sometime anyway. So yeah, looking forward to that, getting here, and it's all systems go from then on. When we go down the factory, we'll show you guys the walls. They're laid out on the bench down there. So yeah, let's go down and have a look. So this is the toy hauler that they're currently building. when they've got it all opened up, going
Finished and then look,
yeah, film a bit more of it. What is it? 24 foot, is it?
Yeah, 24.
Yeah. Yeah, there's the back door of it, so yeah, it'd be pretty cool once it's finished. There's another one that's going to Sunrise Caravans. Wild Warrior off-road. That's an aluminium frame. How big is this one? Can you remember?
21.6.
Oh yeah, 21.6. It's up there.
Same depth. What we've got now.
But then our walls are over here, so yeah. We'll go and have a look at our walls.
I think it's the roof. What?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they've got our roof done.
Oh, it might not be.
I reckon it's
too big.
Oh yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Is it for that other one?
We'll have to.
I reckon it might be for that other
Yeah, I don't think
There's no
that's our.
hatches in that.
Yeah, that's not our roof. But these are our walls. So,
That's where the ninja goes. Right.
oh yeah, so we're not getting a outdoor kitchen. We're getting a slide out
For the ninja.
for the Ninja wood fire because yeah, we don't use anything else. We only use the Ninja, so there was no point getting a full slide out kitchen when all we use is the Ninja. But yeah, there's the door. So yeah, that's our walls. I can't wait till the chassis gets here so we can show you guys the chassis.
That's flat floor, that's not that high.
Yeah. This is the dimple plate on our van. So we're not getting checker plate.
We're not getting this over now.
Here we are.
I think we're getting a flat black. A different one.
I think we still are. The one we originally looked at, the dimples went in, but these dimples go out. But yeah, they weren't available for a while, but I think they're available again now. So we'll have to check with him though.
Yeah.
So we left the factory, got in the post office, dropped everyone's online orders off. So now we just had to come up and find a dump point. It's part of full-time van life. Just becomes a normal looking for a dump point, doesn't it? Yeah, so we still didn't get the chassis delivered today, but Roadrunner are really busy. So hopefully tomorrow or the next day maybe we'll get it. They have got a lot on at the moment, so no rush. So once the chassis gets there, it's all systems go. So we're just waiting on the chassis at the moment. Should be there really soon. Dump point's not blocked today. Man, like people just throw in their cassettes, like all the baby wipes and everything. That's what clogs it all up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And the dump points, they all block up. But when you live on the road full time, a dump point is just, a normal part of life, I guess. You want to go to the toilet, Winnie? Are you too cold? Winston hasn't had that jacket off since we've been in Victoria. When we leave of a morning and get his jacket out, he gets so excited and just wants to put it on down. Hey? I'll take you to the toilet now. Hey Jared, guess what?
What?
You know how we left the factory early today? Supposed to go and post the orders and do a dump point run and stuff?
Yep.
Luch come to find us.
Oh, no.
And
What happened?
the chassis ready. They want us to go around and have a look and film it.
We'll have to go in the morning.
So yeah, Roadrunner called Luch to say the chassis was there. Come around and bring us around. No, bring us around to film it, and they'll deliver it in the morning. But
we'll do it in the morning.
Now we're gonna have to go and film it. Yeah, in the morning. But I'm spewing because I'm super excited to see it with the wheels on and see it complete. And
oh yeah, definitely.
And I'm pumped to show you guys. But anyway, we're just chilling out, having a couple of beers like we normally do. We had a liver rest day yesterday, so yeah, we didn't have a beer. But for tea tonight, we have one of these prepaid meals from Woolworths. We've never
prepaid.
Did I say prepaid? Did I? Pre-made.
Pre-made.
Did I say prepaid?
Yeah, pre-made.
Yeah, I've only had 4 beers too.
Yeah.
So, one of these
pre-made
meals from Woolworths. We had roast beef and veggies the other night, and it was absolutely
banging,
spot on. Yeah, really.
We'll see how this one goes.
Really, really nice. But I've never seen them in Woolworths before, so I don't know if it's like a Woolworths in Victoria thing. They got a whole section,
fridge full
of
pre-made,
all different roasts, pastas. This one's a chicken palmy, or parma, or parmigiana, whatever everyone calls it, because everyone's different. We call it a parma, but yeah, it's a chicken parma with mash, and it said veg on the label, but it's not actually veg. It's just mash and chunks of sweet potato, but to me it looks like pumpkin.
Oh, it might be pumpkin. Well, if you got mash,
it said sweet potato on the the label. So, but I actually think it's pumpkin. But I don't know. I'll let you know when we try it and see what it's like.
So I'm going to put it on now.
But the Ninja is preheated. We're going to throw this in.
35 minutes.
35 minutes on 180.
I've turned it up. It's cold here.
Oh yeah.
190.
A little bit. Yeah.
40 minutes.
40 minutes, 190.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll let you guys know what it's like. But if it's anything like the roast beef, yeah, it'll be banging. But I'm super pumped to get the factory tomorrow and then go around to
we'll be there early. We'll be there early.
And see the chassis.
Yeah.
I reckon this will be the earliest we've ever gone in.
Yeah, more or less. Yeah, probably.
But, yeah, exciting. It's about to kick off. It's real now. It's happening. The chassis is ready.
Excellent. Now that's about ready to go.
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know. We might end this vlog here.
Yep.
Then start the new vlog
in the morning.
With the caravan build from tomorrow morning. What do you reckon?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Whole
new one, yeah.
So, yeah, I might even upload this now to YouTube and then
in the morning
kick it off fresh tomorrow. Yeah. No, I'm excited.
Yeah. Let's go.
And we're going to be in Moama this weekend. So, yeah, we've got a market in Moama on Sunday. So, we loved Moama the last time we was there, which was 2023,
can't remember.
I think. Yeah, it would have been a couple of years
after
ago.
We come back from Tassie. Yeah, we stopped there on the way back 23? From Tassie.
I think 23, but yeah, I love Moama, and we're going to do a market there, and I know we got you guys that follow us that live around that area, so I'm super pumped to go to Moama and kit you guys out with local beach coat and polished.
Yeah.
So we're not going to get polished tonight. We're just going to have a few. Might get half polished. We'll see how we go.
Yeah.
Let's go.